Сәлем достар, бұл Скаврон арнасы. Бүгінгі видеомыз 911-ге хабарласқан өте қорқынышты қоңыраулар туралы болмақ. Өйткені осындай видеомыздың бірінші бөлімінде сіздер мүмкіндігінше жеткілікті лайк санын жинаған болатынсыздар. Бүгінгі видеомыз алдыңғысынан да қызықты болмақ. Сондықтан ерінбей лайк басып, арнамызды қолдап отырыңыз.
Emergency.
Do you require assistance?
Please, there's someone in my house.
Okay, sir. I am notifying the police. Are you at apartment 2?
Please get someone over here. I will, sir.
But I need you to confirm your address first.
It's apartment 2.
Okay, the police are on their way, but I need you to calm down. Do you know if it's a man or a
I
woman?
don't know. I just saw the back of their head. Its scalp was ripped off.
Excuse me, sir?
Its skin was hanging off the side of its head. They started towards me, but... What was that? Everything just started shaking.
Are you able to get to an exit?
No, I'm in a closet.
All right, I need you to stay calm.
Oh my God.
Do you have anything you can use to protect?
There's some coat hangers.
Okay, take one of the hangers and straighten it
They're
out.
all plastic.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else?
Hey!
What is happening? Sir?
It's at the door.
The police are only a few minutes away. I just need you to hang on a little longer.
Please, I'm so scared. I'm so... Oh my God!
Sir? Sir, are you there? Sir?
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
Yeah, we're the exit.
I'm sorry, your cell phone's cutting out.
We're going north 125,
Mm-hmm.
and our accelerator's stuck.
I'm sorry?
Our accelerator's stuck. We're on 125, we're late.
Okay, northbound 125, where are you passing?
We are passing, we'll be passing. We're going 120, Mission Gorge. We're in trouble. There's no break.
Okay.
Gorge, in freeway, half mile.
Okay, and you don't have the ability to, like, turn the vehicle off or anything?
We're approaching the intersection. We're approaching the intersection.
Okay.
We're approaching the intersection. Hold on. Pray. Oh, shoot. Oh.
Hello? Down for 911, where's your emergency?
This is Sandy. 231 Rock Crimmon Road.
What's the
Send
problem?
the police. Send the police.
What's the problem there?
The chip killed my friend.
What is the monkey doing? Tell me what the monkey's...
He ripped her face off. Please.
If the monkey moves away from your friend, let me know, okay? So we can try to help your friend.
No, I can't. She's dead. She's dead.
Why are you saying that she's dead?
She's dead. He ripped her apart.
He ripped what apart? Her face?
Everything.
He ripped her apart?
I think I'm gonna sleep. I think I'm gonna pass out.
No, just breathe, okay? I'm gonna stay with you on the phone until they get there.
Listen to me, please hurry. Please hurry. Oh my God. Shoot him!
Sandra, stay in your car.
Shoot him!
Sandra, I need you to stay in your car.
Shoot him, please. I tried stabbing him, and he's hurt now too. So he's gonna attack anybody. I can't get out of this car.
Сонымен видеомыз соңына жетті. Сіздерден лайк, ал бізден өте қызықты видеолар және де Скавронның ВК группасына тіркелуді ұмытпаңыздар. Өйткені сіздер онда қазақ тіліндегі өте керемет жаңалықтар тамашалай аласыздар.